So this is how you fit our bed platform. What we do is we line up with these two holes here with this panel here, and we line it up as best we can, exactly. And then there's some pre-made holes in this side piece which you then screw through with Tech screws, and that fixes it. Okay, so you can see I've put the Tech screws in, and then that now holds that nice and firm, and you can see I've kind of lined it up as best as I can with those holes there, and that's all you need to do to fix the sides in. You could drill a hole and put a nut rivet into these if you wanted to have a fixing that you can take in and out more frequently, potentially if you wanted to move the bed out. So once you've got both sides fixed in, you can put the beams across. One thing to note is we've allowed a little bit of play in the beams, and that is to allow, if you were to carpet this side panel or put some thin ply behind it, these would obviously move in, and you'd need a little bit of play for the beams to slot in, basically. So that's why I've done that. So this is the bed platform in place now. So these top panels, which just slot on, they're just screw fixed down, and you just go around and put the screws in, and then that is it really. You can screw fix through here as well to fix the bed platform down to the sides. We don't put holes in here for you because this distance may change, and which would mean the hole would be in the wrong place. But you can easily just measure to put some screws in there. That's it. And then we've got an optional extra sort of back up stand, which I'll show you, which you can purchase to match your kit, or you can have it in black as well. So this is the optional upstand we do that goes on the back of the bed, and it's just put on with the aluminium corner profile and then screwed through here into the platform. And then in the corners here you'll need to add a metal out bracket to screw straight into the metal and into the wood to stiffen it up a bit.